Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up memberships and packs for online booking. If you watched my last video on how to set up online bookings in Wix, then you'll probably remember a part where I talked about pricing plans. This is an option that allows your users to sign up on a monthly basis so they don't have to pay each time that they want to book a session with you, or they can buy specific packages that you set up. In one website I saw, they were using packages to sell a 10-pack of their sessions. So let's go ahead and set that up. So we're going to go ahead and press add, and then it's going to have a pop-up that says offer membership or packages with pricing plan. So let's go ahead and press get started. The first thing we're going to do is it's going to give us the option to name this plan. For this one, let's call it unlimited. Underneath that, you'll have the option to add a tagline. For this example, I'm just going to leave that blank. Underneath that, it's going to allow us to add a list of what's included in the plan. So this is where you would kind of list the benefits of the plan. If we keep scrolling down, you're going to see it says connect and manage benefits. Here, you would be able to add the different types of services offered in this pack or this membership plan. Then you can set the type of access to limited or unlimited. For this example, we're going to say unlimited since the name of the plan is limited. And here we can set the pricing to free, one-time, or reoccurring. Since this is an unlimited plan, we're going to set it to a recurring payment monthly of, let's say, $200. Underneath that, you'll see length of plan. Here you can set it to 3, 6, 12, until canceled, or custom length. In most cases, you want to set it to until canceled. And if you want to offer a free trial, you could also enable that and set the length of that as well. But for this example, we're going to leave this off. Underneath that is advanced settings. Here we can say single purchase only, which limits this plan to one purchase per person. Ideally, if someone has to cancel a gym membership or something, you don't want to prevent them from being able to join again. So leaving this toggled off is probably better. However, if you're offering an awesome discount on one of your plans and it's a lifetime plan, then maybe you want to toggle this on so that way they can't renew it later on. Below that is allow plan cancellation, which allows people to cancel their plan at any time in their account settings on your website. I would probably leave this on unless you have a set length for the plan. Let's say they choose a plan that's $200 a month for 3 months. If they want to cancel on month 2, you probably want to toggle this off. And below that is custom start date. This allows your users to be able to choose the start date for their plan. Let's say they buy a 10-pack, but that 10-pack expires in 3 months. But let's say they're out of town for 1 month. If they wanted to, they could choose the custom start date, so it starts when they get back. And then below that is plan policies, which you should also add for each plan. Once you have this set up, you can go ahead and press next, and it's going to add that plan to this service. Now that we have a plan in this service, we can also toggle on a feature that offers this service only as a part of the plan, which honestly, I'd probably just leave that off. If you wanted to add a pack, what we can do is press manage. We can create a new plan, and we can call this a 10-pack. Again, you want to list your features. You want to add the services that people can book. You want to be limited, not unlimited. And you want the total amount of sessions to be 10. And for this one, instead of it being a reoccurring payment, you want it to be a one-time fee. If each session is $200 and this is a 10-pack, then maybe you want to offer a discount of $400 if they order in bulk. So then you could charge $1,600 instead of $2,000. And then here for the 10-pack, you probably want to allow them to set a custom start date. So then once you have all the plans that you want, then you can just press save. Then let's say you create a new service and you want to add these plans to it. Then all you have to do is press add, and you can just connect the plans to this service. Just like that, and press done. Then press save, and now people can buy the plans or packs for that service. So now people can either go to your pricing page and choose a specific plan that they want to use, or if they try to book one of your services, they'll have an option to pay for that single session, or they can buy one of your plans. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.